Yeah, that's right, Ben. A lot of passionate people. You know, Democrats are accusing Republicans today of using this forum to try and spread misinformation. Republicans saying that they're not trying to give out any information. They're just looking to hear from the people. And the people who we talked to told us they just want to be heard.
This is a gross overstep of government.
Outrage at the Capitol complex over Governor Lamont's vaccine mandate for state workers.
I do not believe that the government has the power to mandate anything for our bodies.
About 130 people signed up to speak for the first in-person public hearing held in the last 14 months, invited by the legislature's conservative caucus.
We are here to hear from the public on the impacts that they're feeling from the impending deadline that the governor has set.
And hear from people they did. Bus drivers like Tricia Connolly.
Is it something that you're willing to lose your job over?
Yes.
And educators like Pamela Bolliker.
Like there's a big coercion to get people to get the shot.
By executive order, Governor Lamont has required all healthcare workers, educators, and state agency employees to get at least one shot of a COVID vaccine by September 27th or potentially lose their job. The Lamont administration saying it's not only legal, but responsible.
And we've provided opportunities for religious exemption, for medical exemptions, all of the provisions that, the lawyers advised to make sure that this was rock solid.
But some say it isn't constitutional.
Absolutely absurd. That's all I could say.
And the governor feels strongly that we need to lead by example in the state. We want to make sure that our employees are getting vaccinated because the data are crystal clear that that is by far the most effective way of preventing the spread of COVID.
In addition to medical and religious exemptions, the mandate also allows for a weekly COVID test in lieu of getting vaccinated.
I would be discriminated against, be asked to test every week, be quarantined, even though the person who may have COVID but got the shot would not be quarantining.
The speaker is telling Fox 61 they aren't anti-vaccine or anti-mask, but rather pro-personal choice. And also today, Republicans calling on the governor to end his executive rule over the state of Connecticut. Governor Lamont announcing that he is seeking an extension to his executive authority. He is going to call lawmakers back into special session on Monday to decide whether or not to approve an extension to his emergency powers until February 15th, citing continued concerns over the Delta variant and the COVID-19 pandemic. We're live at the State Capitol complex in Hartford. Matt Caron, Fox 61 News.